Starting a career in digital marketing can be a rewarding and dynamic journey. Here are the steps to get you started. Understand the basics. Before diving in, it's important to understand what digital marketing encompasses. Digital marketing includes various channels like social media, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, and more. Define your goals. What do you want to achieve with digital marketing? Are you looking to promote a business, build a personal brand, or acquire specific skills? Clearly define your goals. Educate yourself. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, so staying updated is crucial. Consider taking online courses, reading blogs, watching YouTube tutorials, or enrolling in formal digital marketing courses. Some reputable resources include HubSpot Academy, Google Digital Garage, and Coursera. Choose a niche. Digital marketing is a broad field. Consider specializing in one or a few specific areas, such as social media marketing, SEO, email marketing, or content marketing. Build a strong online presence. If you're planning to promote your own personal brand or business, create a professional online presence. This might include a website, social media profiles, and a blog to showcase your expertise. Learn about SEO. Understanding search engine optimization is vital, as it helps your content rank higher in search results. Learn about on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Get hands-on experience. Practice is crucial. Start your own blog or social media account to experiment with different digital marketing strategies. This hands-on experience will teach you a lot. Stay updated. Subscribe to industry blogs, follow digital marketing experts on social media, and attend webinars or conferences to stay updated with the latest trends. Certifications. Consider getting certified in relevant areas. For instance, you can get certified in Google Ads, Google Analytics, or Facebook Blueprint. Certifications can add credibility to your skills. Networking. Networking is essential in digital marketing. Connect with professionals in the field, join digital marketing groups on social media, and attend local events or meetups. Create a portfolio. As you gain experience, create a portfolio showcasing your best work. This is particularly important if you plan to work with clients or employers. Apply for jobs or freelance work. You can start applying for digital marketing jobs or offer your services as a freelancer. Gain real-world experience working for clients or within a company. Measure and analyze. Learn how to use analytics tools to track the performance of your marketing campaigns. Understanding the data is key to making improvements. Adapt and evolve. Digital marketing is always changing. Be ready to adapt to new trends and technologies. Continual learning is crucial. Stay ethical and compliant. Make sure to follow ethical guidelines and regulations, especially in areas like email marketing and online advertising. Remember, digital marketing is a diverse field, and success comes with time, experience, and a commitment to learning and staying up to date with the latest trends. It's essential to be patient and persistent as you build your career in digital marketing.